You guys probably saw that coming, didn't you? Hey, welcome back to the garage. I think today I'm going to try to get the other sway bar bracket off. And then possibly prime in the frame rails, and then I washed both Mustangs yesterday. So I might just cover them up, just in case I decide to spray or something. But we'll see. Today I'm gonna do a little differently. I'm gonna grind it first, and then address the spot welds and the brackets. One thing to keep in mind, I am removing the guard here for this, because you just can't like get into these corners with the guard on. That's why I'm using a full face shield, so keep that in mind if you decide to. Got some new safety equipment. Kevlar fiber shields. These kind of make me a little itchy though, so just gonna put a new grinding disc on the grinder, and then finish chopping it off. Let's talk about these things. A pinch weld cutter, I don't know. At any rate, somebody reached out to me and said that they have a little trouble getting it to work. A lot of people don't even use these anymore. They use like a finger sander, which is also fine. I'm gonna explain how I get this to work. So I'll get you in a little closer. First step, use a punch of your choice. All right, so the idea is you wanna make like a little center punch in the middle. Just a tiny little divot is really all you need. One of the biggest problems with these is that they kind of walk a little bit. Super close. All right, I think that's pretty close. They tend to walk around a little bit. So ideally, if I just hit this, if I go full speed, so you really just want to get through the first layer. Focus. Ah, there we go. There's one. So what happens is that happens. What you want to do is kind of like lightly touch the surface. And then once it's kind of gripped a little bit, you can kind of lean into it a little bit more. just to show you guys, I'm on, I usually leave the clutch on like drill, and then speed too. Whatever the fastest speed is usually the best. You want to start off slightly slow, let the blade do all kind of the work for you at the beginning, just until you get enough of a groove that you can really lay into it, and make sure your drill is really fast. Lost the threads. Alright, I'm gonna go replace the teeth on this one. You can just unscrew these and then put them around the other side, but it's not easy to do without pliers and stuff. Okay, it's been swapped. New side. Let's do a little more drilling. There's a difference between these two. Okay, so this one actually has some higher threads than the other one. So what's happening is the other one's bottoming out. It's not getting to the bottom of the sheet metal. This one has the threads of the old cutting head still stuck. This one cuts a little bit deeper. See, that's a problem. Guess not. How about you? So this is off. I have to let my GoPro cool off a little bit. It's super hot and the battery's almost dead, so I'm gonna change batteries too. So my tools are all broken, so I'm gonna have to order more before I can do these. There's I think 5 spot welds for the bottom plate. So what I think I'm going to do is when I come back, I'm just going to grind all these nubs down and then grind this flat so it's not like a knife blade. Same thing for this side. And then I'll address that later, maybe. Who knows? Maybe it'll stay. It's metal, right? Cool. Mustangs are covered. I'm going to do a little painting. All right, so prepped and painted the frame rails. I'm gonna spin you folks around so you can take a look. Oh, it's gray. Neat. Yep. Cool. All right, so from there, I'm going to possibly try to just mask things off. Spraying enamel is kind of a problem because it gets everywhere. So I'm gonna mask as much off as I can. I'm not gonna paint it today, but maybe in the next video. I'm not sure. We'll see. Is okay. Steering column is out. There's my pedal box. How about you? scheduled hell. This is quite painful. I don't know why I'm bothering with this. Who really cares? Oh yeah, great. Alright, so I got that done. Let me go take care of this bleeding wound on my finger. Alright, I'm actually gonna call it quits. Look at that. Oh my god. Yeah, this head mount thing is extraordinarily uncomfortable. My god. Anyway, I'm going to take care of my bleeding finger. It's actually a little deeper than I thought it would be. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh! Oh my god! Cat! Ow! Ow! Damn it! My elbow's gonna look like chop meat after this.